The competition in the drone market is intensifying with each passing day, and when it comes to drones, the name DJI is always at the forefront. DJI offers a wide range of drones, catering to everyone from beginners to experienced professionals. In this video, we've gathered everything we know about the next gem in the renowned Mavic series, the Mavic 4 Pro. If you're considering buying a drone soon, this video might make you rethink your choice, as we'll cover everything from leaks and features to price and release date of the Mavic 4 Pro. Before we dive in, if you want to make a well-informed decision when buying a drone, I strongly recommend subscribing to Action Time. Now, let's get started. DJI's Mavic series is renowned for its professional-level aerial shots, excellent battery life, advanced sensors, and compact form factor. With each new model, DJI brings improvements to the table, but the recent Mavic 3 series, despite its potential, didn't fully meet expectations in terms of image quality. It introduced a new zoom lens, but there are still areas where DJI can enhance its aerial cinematography capabilities. For the Mavic 4 Pro, we're expecting significant upgrades. The new model could offer improved image quality with a larger sensor and enhanced dynamic range for capturing stunning visuals in various lighting conditions. Additionally, AI-supported advanced flight modes are anticipated, making autonomous flight and object tracking even more intuitive and accurate. We might also see longer flight times, aiming for over 50 minutes, and improved battery technology to extend your flying sessions. One of the most anticipated upgrades is in the camera segment. The Mavic 4 Pro might feature 8K video capabilities, surpassing the current Mavic 3's 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 4K video up to 120 FPS. The sensor may remain a 4/3-inch CMOS, but expect improvements in still image resolution, potentially up to 20 megapixels, with a new telephoto lens offering 108 megapixels and 10x optical zoom. In terms of connectivity, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with OcuSync 4 Plus, potentially providing up to 25 kilometers of transmission range with 1080p video, making it a strong contender for long-distance filming. Considering DJI's typical 2-year R&D cycle for the Mavic series, it's likely that the Mavic 4 Pro will be released in early 2025. We expect to see leaks from DJI as the release date approaches, and we'll revisit this topic with more updates. Regarding the price, we don't anticipate a significant increase, as previous Mavic models have maintained consistent pricing. Expect a similar trend for this drone. Finally, before we wrap up, if you're thinking about buying any drone in 2024, I highly recommend subscribing to Action Time. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on the Mavic 4 Pro in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.